Hey Planner friends, how's it going? Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. My name is Ryan and this is A Man with the Plans, and we're back with a PlannerKate haul, as you can see from the box here. I have been using PlannerKate forever, since my planning journey began. This is the first shop I actually bought from. My early videos, one of them is a PlannerKate haul, so this is fun. I'm super excited to kind of share what I bought. I will actually leave a link down below. I believe it's 20% off your entire purchase if you use. The coupon code is AMWTP, A Man with the Plans. So if you use that coupon code, you can save yourself a couple of bucks on anything PlannerKate related, because I'm loving it so far. There's some really fun things in here. I actually bought some stuff to try to help improve my sticker organization because I just feel like everything has been everywhere recently. So let's go ahead and kind of dive into the box here. All right, well, I'll pull this out. Alright, we'll set that off to the side. First of all, it's wrapped cute in tissue paper here. We'll move that sticker for later. That'll look fun, look cute in my planner. Oh, and it came off in one piece. So I have a ton of stuff. This is a big haul, like let me tell you. So we'll start with the big ticket item and then we'll go through some of the kits that I got for myself. Alright, so this is actually one of her sticker organization albums. So as you can see here, it's a spiral notebook type deal here. It's got the PlannerKate and it's got this fun like plasticky cover. And then it has a ton of these sheets that are those reusable stickers. So what I've noticed, I've been planning for about what, 6 years now? 5 years? And I have lots of old stickers. Like when you finish a kit, right, and there's some stuff left, you don't want to let it go to waste, so I usually try to hold the sheets, and I just feel like things are getting disorganized. So what I've started doing is I've been pulling like things with like and starting to leave them. And so now that I have these PlannerKate pieces, as I start to pull them together, I want to make sure I have like a landing page to keep them. So there's a ton of pages in here, and they are sticky on both sides. So I mean, people organize them by color, they organize them by kit, it kind of depends. I've really been enjoying, I did it with my Chris and Design stickers recently. So I'm really excited to be able to kind of go through everything that I have PlannerKate and start to organize it. The other thing that it's really good for are the doodles and the freebies. So I feel like pulling those together, so all the workout stickers or whatever it is, you kind of organize them so you can kind of pull from them on a regular basis. It should be the first thing I go to, right? That's use what you got. So I'm super glad that I went ahead and bought this. I'm so excited to kind of start going through. What I generally do is like turn on Real Housewives of New Jersey or something and just move the stickers around with a set of tweezers, because you know, you put it down and then you can reposition it as many times as you want, which is super fun and it saves the sticker. So I'm excited to kind of really dive into this. Let me know what else you use to organize your stickers from older kits, because I'm not a master and honestly all of you teach me so many things. So I can't wait to share that, but I absolutely love this and I will leave it linked down below in the description. But here comes the next bit. I've got quite a bit of kits here. I mean, a ton. I went on a bit of a shopping spree. And I got a ton of kits and a ton of other things that just kind of struck my eye. So again, here is the website. It's plannerkate.com. She actually has her own site now instead of using on Etsy. So go ahead and check that out and you can make it an account and all that jazz. So I'll leave that off to the side. Let's see, let's start. Ooh, so many things. So many things. Okay, let's do a little organizing here. We'll start with, pull these off. I think this is the first set that I have here. Oops. So these are dance stickers. It is the BW117. So I'll zoom in a little on these. Basically, I am a judge for Minnesota State High School dance team, and so it's always nice to throw a sticker for a dance meet, a training, whatever it might be. I like having these, and so I had point shoes because that was all I could find for dance at the time, but this is a lovely little leg hold, leg extension, so I figured that would be a nice little thing to include. Love those. In terms of the freebies I got, we've got a couple. So we've got this classic one here with the flags or the asterisks. Then we've got some doodles. We've got some flags here. We've got some font ones. We've got some habit trackers, and we've got some girl doodles. So, I mean, I always love a good set of these, but what I'll likely do is start pulling them by color or pulling them by like thing and kind of pull them all together so I can just keep them in my notebook I just showed you, and they're at the ready when I need them. It's kit time, and it is mid-June as I'm filming this, and so I decided to pick up these fun Inspire. They're like the monthly kind of dashboards where you can, they should probably sit like this. So they go from January through December on one, and then July through June on the other. And this is something where I might use this in a budget planner for my budget for tracking expenses or things that I pay on a monthly basis. As you can see, you got cleaning, wellness, social, monthly tasks, stuff like that. And so it'll all depend what you want to do up here, you know, baseboards, vacuum, some of the things you do on a monthly basis. And it comes in kind of both of these setups. So for my new planner that starts in July, I will put this on the bottom of one of the sheets. And then this is going to be for my budget, I think, so I can use to track that. But I had to get myself these in that fun Inspire-esque colorway. I think it matches really nicely with the Inspire set. So here is the cover of my daily. So as you can see, it does complement it quite nicely. So the color scheme is kind of the same, right on par though, and really, really beautiful, playing off the same kind of color scheme. So that is that first set. And then obviously, I've been getting into planning my monthly spread a bit more, which is why I went ahead and got the July monthly. So here is the first kit. This is the EC 7x9 monthly dashboard. It's month 005-G. So you have this big bar here, and this is for that second page before the calendar, or after the calendar. So this is kind of your dashboard, and you've got some open spaces here. And then they have some things like don't forget, memories, habits, events, goals, must do, projects, birthdays this month. Then we obviously have the dashboard page itself for the border, which is always fun. It's this nice like navy blue and white, so that's super fun. And then you also have this piece here that has a bunch of check marks, a quote thing here, you've got a hydrate, priorities, and you've got some weekly dinners and stuff like that. So this is the notes page shell. So yeah, this will be how I set up the month of July here in my monthly planner. So that will be super fun. I can't wait for that. It's crazy how we're already in the middle of June. So that's all of my monthly kits. Now it's time to talk my favorite thing, is my new obsession, weeklies. So this kit I just had to pick up. I thought it was absolutely adorable. It is called the, it's an anytime kit, but this is the plant lovers kit. So you've got this first one here. It says plant lover, it has the calendars and that fun green, and then the washi has like little succulents along it. I'm an aspiring plant dad, I can't really help myself. You've got the days of the week here, you've got a ton of boxes. Here's some full boxes, got some quarter boxes, some appointment ones, and then of course you've got the extras over here with a ton more appointments. You got some meetings, some other flags, some bills. I love the color scheme of this too, with like that peach with the blue and the olive green. I feel like it's very boho lately, so I don't know, it's super trendy, I feel like. So that's been something I've really liked. And then I couldn't say no to these fun doodles that come with it. So this is a fun kit. I'll have it linked down below if you have a hankering or you're a plant parent and want to kind of share the love here. Because I don't know, the hanging plants are so cute. So this is my first kit that I'm going to be using at some point throughout the summer. I just think it's super fun and adorable. So this is the 533C, and so this is the weekly sampler. So you've got this fun kind of blue washi, you've got this like pineapple thing here, which I'm really digging. The color scheme of this is totally for me. You got the fun weekend script, and then you've got this fun, this is the functional page, you've got this fun brush stroke marks, a bunch of flags, some more washi, tons of like stickers for appointments and half boxes, which I really like in my hourly. It's nice to have all the appointments have themselves a little home. And then this is the functional bit. This is the EC plum hourly, plum vertical, and A5 horizontal. This is just the extras, so you've got more check boxes, more to do. This is actually quite a bit, so there's gonna be a lot left over, but I actually love that as a way to, one, fill up that cute little binder I just got, the little sticker holder, but two, I just think being able to have extra stickers to kind of go if you want to block something out or use this color for work, you can always kind of segment your week like that. So that's the next kit that I have that I can't wait for. This one I couldn't say no to either. This is, I believe, something related to like a wild theme. So the color scheme is what drew me to this, but how fun. It says wild one. It's got the weekend sticker here, but there's this fun like teal blue with this like, I would say more of a golden color. You got this fun washi on the sides. So this is how this is set up. You've got yourself the weekly sampler, the functional kit, and the hourly edition here as well. So this is the kit 525, and I'll leave these linked. Yeah, I just think this one is super fun. I love the like little hits of cheetah or leopard print. I never know, but I love this this dotted line thin washi here. And again, so what'll happen is, as I use these kits, any of these icons that I don't get to will have a home that lives kind of, I mean, actually might cluster them by the icon themselves by type, because they are kind of colored in according with the kit. I haven't really decided yet too, because whatever maybe I don't use, I tend to use the leftovers in my daily planner as well. So I'm gonna just play it by ear. I haven't really decided what to do. So that is another kit. The next one I think is very timely, because this should be coming out right around Father's Day. And so here is the Happy Father's Day kit. This is kit 528, and I have the sampler here. So this is super fun. Happy Father's Day weekend. I love the color scheme of this. One of my favorite kits of all time is an old Father's Day one that had a bunch of ties on it. That was just super cute. And I think I forgot to order the one that I did with the functional set here, but I'm lucky then that I have this the EC hourly here with the check marks and extra boxes that I can fill this out. This will be fun to kind of see how I spread my week. This is a busy week. It's coming up. This will be in my plan with me, so I'll have that video linked at some point. But it's not even Father's Day, but we're going to Taylor Swift. And the fun part, I don't think my parents watch my YouTube videos, but I decided to get them a parent's gift where they're gonna kind of go on a trip together somewhere. So I don't think they know about it, although I feel like my mom is crafty that way and wouldn't tell me if she knew. But we're actually gonna send them to Savannah, Georgia in September for a long weekend for them to explore. And so that's kind of our gift for both Mother's Day and Father's Day together, is let them do something fun. So I can't wait to see them on Sunday and kind of surprise them, hopefully. So that's fun. That's the next kit I'm using. And then June would not be complete without, and I have another kit, I forgot. Okay, June would not be complete without a Pride Month kit. So as you can see here, it says Love Wins with the light bulbs, these fun bright colors. I just love that it's kind of a color block week, so you can kind of have fun with that. And as you can tell here, I've got a bunch of things here. So we've got the functional and the extras all in one spread. I feel like right now in this country, you know, exposure and visibility and all of that is something that's, there's lots of controversy. And I, as somebody who identifies as gay, it's just important to me to be able to show that love does win and love is love. And it's beyond that. It's being an ally and it's being visible and feeling safe to be who you are in this world. And so if it's something where I just use this kit, you know, I'm allowed to feel proud. And one of my favorite things coming up is we'll be actually doing what's called the Pride Dabbler here in Minneapolis. It's like a fun beer festival, but it's Pride themed. So I have a lot going on that weekend. And Taylor Swift is in town for Pride. So I'm hoping she'll do a little bit of fun to celebrate that at her shows. So I can't wait to hear how that goes. But yeah, this kit is just stunning. I love the rainbow check boxes here. You've got tons of extra real estate. These doodles are super cute. So I haven't decided if I'm gonna actually stick to the color blocking and follow the colors. You know, there is enough where you could probably get away with it, or do I just mix it up and have it go crazy? I don't know. But either way, this is something that I'm really excited for, and those things where I'm not like, can it be June, the end of June already? But I don't wanna wish summer away, but sometimes an excuse to play in your planner, right? So we've got one more kit left. This was quite a haul, I'm not gonna lie to you. I went a little crazy, but that's okay. Everyone needs a treat now and then. This is just a fun summertime kit, and here is the sampler. So the way that I generally do it, as you've seen, is I usually do this weekly sampler and then the functional page, and then sometimes I'll either add in the doodles or I'll do this vertical, the hourly extra here. So this just says summer. It's got this nice bright pink, the yellow, the blue, and the green. It's just very vibrant and lively, which I think is exactly the vibe I want in my spread this summer. So you've got this fun washi with some palm trees, and you've got this thin washi with like the yellow chevron, and then of course the Monstera leaves coming in clutch, really saying, hey, it's nice and warm, enjoy the weather. So I can't wait to be able to use this on a summer week when maybe I'm going to the beach, or maybe we've got a family reunion. This might be the best time to throw that down because this will be a party. All right, well, that's about gonna do it for me this week. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. It does help the channel out. If you haven't yet subscribed, hit that red subscribe button. I make new videos every single week. Make sure to follow me over on Instagram at A Man With The Plans. That's where I'm showing some of my daily reels and stuff like that that I might not be posting on my channel. But please leave a comment on what is your favorite kit from this haul. I'd love to know because I can't wait to then be able to use it, and I'm wondering if you kind of have the same vibes that I do. But I hope you have a fantastic month, and again, don't forget to get 20% off your entire purchase at PlannerKate using the code AMWTP, A Man With The Plans. So, hope you have a great week, and I'll talk to you later. Bye, Planner friends.